something happening here. What it is ain't exactly clear. There's a man with a gun over there, telling me I got to beware. I think it's time we stop, children. What's that sound? Everybody look what's going down. There's bad lines being drawn, and nobody's right if everybody's wrong. Young people speaking their mind are getting so much resistance from behind. Time we stopped. Hey, what's that sound? Everybody look what's going down. What a field day for the heat. 1,000 people in the street, singing songs and a carrying sign. Mostly say hooray for our side. It's time we stop. Hey, what's that sound? Everybody look what's going down. Paranoia strikes deep into your life, it will creep. It starts when you're always afraid. Step out of line, the man come and take you away. You better stop. Hey, what's that sound? Everybody look what's going. You better stop. Hey, what's that sound? Everybody look what's going. You better stop now. What's that sound? Everybody look.
Mi sono sbagliato.
You better stop. What's that sound?
Miami, FLA, hitchhiked away across USA, plucked her eyebrows on the way, shaved her legs, and then he was a she. She says, hey babe, take a walk on the wild side. Said, hey honey, take a walk on the wild side. On the island, in the back room she was everybody's darling, but she never lost her head. Even when she was giving head, she says, hey babe, take a walk on the wild side. Said, hey babe, take a walk on the wild side. And the colored girls go do 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 do.
I tuoi fiori si sono rovinati, non hai abilità. Questa nazione brutta ti fa sentire asciutta, senza volontà. E gioca a fare Dio, manipolando il tuo DNA. Così se vuoi cambiare, invece resti uguale per l'eternità. Ma non c'è niente che sia per sempre, perciò se da un po' che stai così male, il tuo diploma scaccia razionalità, niente può stupire. E non è certo il tempo quello che ti invecchia e ti fa morire, ma tu rifiuti di ascoltare ogni segnale che ti può cambiare, perché ti fa paura quello che succederà se poi ti senti uguale. Ma non c'è niente che sia per sempre, perciò se da un po' che stai così male, il tuo diploma è in fallimento, una laurea per reagire, sai finger bene, ma so che hai fame. Il tuo diploma è in fallimento, è una laurea per reale.